To use routine to automatically turn on always on display when charging your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. Next, tap compass like icon at the top right to view all preload routine, tap battery, and then select charging. Here you can review the condition and action on this routine so that you will know what conditions are needed to run this routine and what will happen when this routine is running. Once done, tap save to add this routine to your routine list. Tap the back key. With this routine on your list, your phone will always turn on always on display while you are charging your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.